on the Supreme Court and jurisprudence of the right to a fair hearing in Nigeria. The Supreme Court. I guess my brother and friend, Yusuf Ali, chose me to come and assist here because I said God is on the chair. I'm not the chairman. It's because it is my court where I'm privileged to serve as one of the judicial officers. Relates it to jurisprudence of the right to fair hearing. As we all know, the Supreme Court in Nigeria, and if you like, the Supreme Court of Nigeria, is the apex court. So that whatever decision is given, appeal only lies to where none of us seated here has been before God himself. No further appeal. People have chosen to come back before the same court, which cannot be by way of appeal, but seeking to appeal to the court. People shouldn't be surprised to have His Excellency, the Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, to find time to grace this occasion, this early morning of a weekday. This will tell you how important, how greatly appreciated Malam Yusuf Ali is. His Excellency, I learned, had to change a couple of the government's program of today, all to be present and grace this occasion. Not written by many people to make money. This is one of it. But for legacies to be left behind. Some books, yes, could be books to be used by professionals, people working in the field of law. But when you see people that are here today to present the book, including, and most importantly, Chief Wole Olanipekun, SAN, Dr. Wale Babalakin, SAN, great men in this field, and you see professors of law, and of course you have the Vice Chancellor of the University of Ilorin, a professor of jurisprudence himself, not only seated here, but must have had great contributions to what the book contains. You have no reason to regret being here, but like the people to present the books we plead with you, just endeavor to go home with one or two or copies of this book. Your Excellency, I once again welcome you, and we're happy you gracing this occasion of your friend.